Hey guys, what's up? So tuition top of short trees 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called Violet, sweet addition to your wallpaper. The next is called Mini Tar and notifications in your status bar. This is called Gradient Bubble Color. And with this week, it's a Gradient Bubble Color fits and Message app. So receiver or sender's message gradient colors. This is called Color Badges Packets. And compatible with iOS 7 and 14.3. Colorize your badges. You modify badges based on the app icon colors to increase contrast. Color badge will also add an outline around the badges and be disabled in settings. Colorize photos based on the highest numbered badge inside the folder, or the first badge if none of them contain numbers. This week is called Color Bandage 3, iOS 13. Customize notifications look. So this is for iOS 13 and 14. So Color Bandage has been completely rewritten for support iOS 13 and 14, including full dark mode support. So these are the features, and this is what it looks like. This is called Yobon Evolution, Extra Utilities in the Control Center. So you have all these utilities right here. Also have a backdoor option, so it gives you the opportunity to go to safe mode when the touchscreen won't respond. So that could actually be a lifesaver with your jailbreak, depending if you have Unc0ver or Checkra1n. Because if Unc0ver is not signed and you don't have the right tweets installed, then you kind of screwed out of a jailbreak. So this tweak could save you. Sometimes your device does freeze, so it's always good to have that option to get out of that if your device does freeze. This tweak is called Court. Change your notification style, so it brings a new look to your lock screen. This tweak is called Prism. Your control center reimagined. This week is called Aperio, a beautiful app launcher for your lock screen. This week called Checkra1n and iOS 14's indicator dots for iOS 12 and 13. So depending on the color of the dot, it tells you what's being in use. So green is the camera, yellow or orange. Orange is your microphone, and blue is GPS is being used. This week is called Escape, a fake incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. So you can use this for a bunch of things. If it's just awkwardness between you and somebody else, you can use this, or just someone's used your phone, you can use this tweak. So it can be used for a lot of uses. This week is called Nougat, experience Android right on your iOS device. So it brings notification panels from the Android Nougat and Oreo right to your iOS device. This tweak is called Share Me. It's a mandatory update for who using 1.4 or below versions. Found issue old versions of your iOS device's address book might turn into read only, and in result you can't update delete contacts from your device. Please update without fail. So generates on conversation reports from your iDevice standard messages app. This is called FIDA for 32-bit devices, FIDA for pre-812 devices, and FIDA for 812 plus devices. Ingest JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called eSIM Plus, and compatible with iOS 12.0 and above. Choose how to call your friends, family, others while using eSIM or DuSIM phones. So when you use two SIMs on your phone, I think it's iPhone XR and above, I believe, support this. I think it's iPhone XS, XR, and XS Max. You could basically choose which SIM you guys want to use to make calls and texts. So pretty cool. This tree is called Lottie Status Bar. Version 1.0.5 is out. So you can see I'm still on 1.0.4. But they managed to reproduce the crash that most users are having, and they fixed it. So it's a crash they fix. They fix a crash issue. So it's an animation engine that lets you run Lottie's animations for your status bar. This theme is called ME, and it's also Nord Color Latte icon theme. This is called Side Backup, iOS 10 to 13. Mostly untested. Backup installed tweets as .devs. It may say .zip backup folder and site backup to start type CYBKP and M terminal. Thanks to Elsator for the idea and help. So back up your tweets as devs and make .zip backup folder for them. Next tweet is called What to Suit 2 for WhatsApp. All-in-one tweet for WhatsApp Messenger. Supports iOS 8 to 14. So it makes WhatsApp easier and simple to use, letting you change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. Bunch of features for WhatsApp. This tweak is called What to Suit Tools, Library for What to Suit, and WhatsApp Tweets. This tweak is called Auto Lock ETS, Force Auto Lock Device, powered with iOS 13. It lets your force auto lock, if not interact, to device when given timeout any case when you're playing media like YouTube. This tweet is called Battery Discharge Rate Monitor. So you see active battery information, current charge, discharge percentage, cycle count, voltage, current battery capacity. You can configure it from the settings. So it was updated 22 hours ago. You also can see the battery temperature. You see everything up there. This tweak is called Neon Board, a fully featured lightweight theme engine for iOS 7 to 14. This tweak is called Super Recorder X Plus, allows you to record phone call or voice change any audio device without using external service. So you can play, delete, share your voice recordings. Just make sure you guys follow the laws in your county. So, and me, your developer, is not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. So, this tweak is called Bluezip Pro, and best-in-one caller ID identification solution for your iDevice. So it helps you basically, if someone's calling you, helps identify who that person is. Next tweak is called YT Plus, which stands for YouTube Plus, a better YouTube tweak. Next tweak is called Emoji Attributes, various under-the-hood fixes for emoji display. Next tweak is called iCarUToll Plus, adds a new layer of security to your device, helps the user prevent a situation where his device is stolen. So you can send alerts to the email or text. You send, save pictures, take a picture from the front camera of the person who stole your phone. So it's great to have if you're scared someone's gonna steal your phone. Next tweet is called Catch a Thief. Take a picture of whoever inputs an incorrect passcode. So great tweak, but if someone does steal your phone, then kind of useless. But if someone is trying to, if one of your family members goes on your phone and they put the password in wrong, or someone tries to go on your phone and you still have device, obviously, then this is a great tweak because you can see who tried going on your device. This tweet is called Vibe. Tell the time using vibrations. This tweet is called Finacle. Compatible with iOS 13. It's a tweak for dismissing the now playing widget. This tweet is called AirDrop Confirm. It's not working for a lot of people, but what it does a confirmation dialog when selecting an AirDrop device on the iOS share sheet. And the last tweak is called AirPay. And what this tweak does, it's Apple Pay reimagined, inspired by AirPods pop-ups. So that's what it looks like. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.